In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable GPG verification in GitHub codespaces. This is a straightforward but essential process, especially if you're working on projects that require added security and authenticity for your commits. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be confidently setting up GPG verification to ensure your commits are verified. Let's start by heading over to the GitHub dashboard. If you're logged in, you should see this familiar screen with all your repositories and activities. Once you're here, direct your attention to the upper right corner. You'll notice an icon, which is your profile picture. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From there, you need to select Settings. This section allows you to customize and secure your GitHub experience, so it's always worth exploring when you need to tweak something. Once you're in the Settings section, you'll notice a list of options along the left-hand side. These categories streamline your setup process and help you find what you're looking for with ease. As we're focusing on codespaces today, make sure that you've selected it from the menu. If you're not currently in codespaces, simply click on it to navigate there. Now that you're in the codespaces settings, your goal is to look for the GPG verification section. This may be nestled amidst various other options, but keep an eye out for it. It's a critical step, so make sure not to overlook it. In the GPG verification section, you should find a checkbox next to Enable. At this stage, you'll want to click this checkbox. Enabling GPG verification is a crucial move because it ensures that GitHub can sign your commits within codespaces, adding a layer of security and verification. By enabling GPG signing in your codespaces, you're essentially telling GitHub to automatically sign your commits, helping to authenticate your identity and secure your contributions. This feature is particularly advantageous in collaborative environments or for open-source projects where trust and integrity are vital. And that's it. Enabling GPG verification in GitHub code spaces takes just a few moments, but it can make a significant difference in the credibility and security of your development work. I hope this guide has been helpful, giving you the knowledge and confidence to ensure your commits are always verifiable. Thank you for joining me today to enhance your GitHub experience with GPG verification. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up and share your comments or questions below. Be sure to subscribe for more insightful tutorials and tech tips.